Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today we are going to solve question number 25 of exercise 3.3. This is the last question. Okay, this is the last question of this exercise. This is third chapter trigonometric function. In this question we are going to prove cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Children, do you know this identity? Cos 2x. Cos 2x. Do you know this identity? Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 and one more 1 minus 2 sin square x, and third one is cos square x minus sin square x, cos square x minus sin square x. Here we have cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, cos square x minus sin square x. Here from all these three, which formula, which identity we will use for this question? Children, here cos 6 is equal to the right hand side. All the values, all the terms are in which trigonometric ratio? In cos. Cos to the power 6x, cos to the power 4x, cos to the power 2x. Here we have three formula. In the first formula, cos square x is given. Cos x is here. In this one, sin is given. And in the last one, cos and sin both. Okay, cos and sin both. So we will prefer this identity, cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Why we are using this one? Because in the right hand side, all the terms have which trigonometrical ratio? Cos. Which trigonometrical ratio? Cos. So we will prefer this one because it has cos. Okay. So we are going to use this identity. Okay. Now LHS is equal to cos 6x. Here cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. So here 2 is reduced to 1x. In the same way, 6x will reduce to half of 6. So we can write it 2 cos square 3x minus 1. 6 will reduce to 3. Okay. So can we write cos square 3x like this one, children? Can we write like this one? Yes, we can write it. And after this step, we are using the another identity. Children, do you know this identity? Cos 3x. Cos 3x equal to what? Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So in place of this one, we will write 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. After this step, we are going to use algebraic identity. Children, do you know this identity? A minus b whole square? Yes. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So here this is a and this is b. So square of 4 cos cube x is equal to what? 16 cos to the power 6x minus plus b square 9 cos square x minus 2 times this into this. 4 3 are 12, 12 2 are 24. 24 cos to the power 3x into cos x is equal to cos to the power 4x minus 1. Now we are going to remove this bracket. Here we are going to multiply 2 multiply by all these terms. Okay, 2 multiply by 16, 32 cos to the power 6x plus 18 cos square x minus 48 cos to the power 4x minus 1. Okay, now we are going to arranging the terms in decreasing power of decreasing order. So 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Here 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. This is the right hand side. Okay. So hence it's proved. Thank you, children.